What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to add widgets to your iPhone on iOS 14. And today I'm going to be demonstrating using an iPhone 11, but let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay, guys, go to the home screen that you want to add the widget to. And what you're going to do is go ahead and press and hold on that home screen page. Just press and hold until the icons start to jiggle. And then you're going to go ahead and go up to the top left and select the plus sign. Now, once you reach this page, this is where you will add your widgets. So just scroll through the list and choose which one you want to add. As you can see, there are multiple different options. And I think I want to get this one for Dow since I like the stock market. So what you want to do is just go ahead and select it. So basically you just scroll to the left and choose whatever size template you want in that specific widget. And let me see. I think I want this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to the bottom and select Add Widget. And as you can see, it has added that specific widget to my home screen page. Now, if you're not satisfied with that, you can always go back and select another one and just go through the list. And okay, so let's see. I'm going to go through this and select the clock. Okay, so I'll just do this one right here and select Add Widget once again. So this is pretty good for me, and I'm just going to go to the top right and select Done because I'm satisfied with this option. And this is how it looks now on my home screen page. Just this page in specific, guys, not any of my other home screen pages. But you can do this for as many home screen pages as you want. It's completely up to you. And then if you want to remove it, you can also just click again on that page, press and hold, and select the minus sign in the top left on that specific widget. And as you can see, it says remove clock widget. Removing this widget will not delete any apps or data. So let's remove it. And just like that, guys, that's how you do it. You can also just press and hold on the widget itself and select remove widget. And that's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.